perform abroad to represent the Philippines for another competition. At dun mas lumawak yung vision ko.
Joshua's page after winning P-Pop Icon Special Award, SB19 won it.
Doon ko na-realize na sana balang araw may katulad ng America, K-pop, J-pop, or alam niyo, just pop in general. Pero on that level, yung Pilipinas.
Yes! Woo!
Yeah, SB19 gave P-Pop, that word a new height. We all know that.
And kaya ako sinishare to because there were times na naalala kayo mga unang sampalatan.
Oh my god, yes, I watched it. I watched it back in 2020. The interview he is talking about, the press conference.
Namin sa mga interview sa TV. Ang tawag sa amin, Filipino K-pop. Ako, matigas ulo ko, sinasagot ko. Sabi ko, hindi po Filipino K-pop. Nag-isip ako ng closest word na pwede natin i-relate sa Philippine pop. So I said, P-pop. P-pop po kami. And of course, ngayon, P-pop has grown so much. There was this, actually, my good friend, recently nagkwentuhan kami.
He's delivering a powerful speech here, 18. Yes, Josh Cullen.
Sabi niya, na parang napagkwentuhan namin yung, alam niyo yung The Greatest Showman. And did you know the song A Million Dreams? Kasi similar na ni Hugh Jackman. Feel ko, ganun ako. Parang pag may nai-envision ako, baliw, masyadong mataas, ambitious. And meron doon, my favorite line was, a million dreams for a world we're gonna make. And
wow.
Right now, I feel like we're more than a million already.
Aww.
Diba? And yung million dreams na yun, sama-sama natin tutuparin.
Wow.
Para sa industry, para sa P-pop, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.